All right, now listen, whether at the beach or the poolside, it's all about making a style statement in your swimsuit cover-up. Now, fashion designer Shanice Wright of Club Couture JA is here to assist us with a few of her pieces. Hey, Shanice.
Hi, how are you?
I am so good. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with us this morning.
The pleasure is all mine.
Oh, no, girl, it's mine. Because listen, I am here for all of this. But before we jump into all of this, tell us, what is Club Couture JA?
So Club Couture JA is an online boutique. We specialize in swimwear and casual wear currently. A fun fact about Club Couture JA is it actually started out as a fashion blog. So I used to, cut up my clothes and revamp them and basically model them and, showcase my talent. And it has spiraled into something wonderful, what we know today as Club Couture JA.
So you mentioned fashion blogging. So why did you want to become a fashion designer? Because tell us about that.
I've always been obsessed with fashion. When I was a child, I used to make outfits for my dolls, the children in my community. I was just cutting up everything. Your closet was not safe when Shanice was around. So it was just about feeling confident in myself when I rocked an outfit. You know that you get when you step out and you just feel like that girl?
Yeah.
That was just me. So I had to pursue fashion design. Mind you, I did go to school for accounting, but this just kept tugging at my heartstring and I just had to pursue.
So how do your parents feel about the change from accounting, where they're like, yes, good job, fashion is, no. How did they feel about the change?
Pretty okay, because they knew that I was following a long life dream of mine. So they were very supportive. My family is very supportive.
Excellent. Okay, so I have heard the word kaftan. I've heard kimono. I've heard sarong. What is the difference, particularly between a kimono and a kaftan?
It's just the design features of it. So a kimono is, as you know, the traditional wear where you have panels at the front, as compared to a kaftan, which is more casual. You don't have to have any panels. You can just enjoy yourself with a kaftan. And it's just more versatile in my opinion, so yeah. Okay,
we're gonna get into these in a second, but why would someone need a swimsuit cover-up?
As it says, it's a cover-up. So, most of us aren't as risque. A lot of us are more conservative. So, you're on the beach, you don't want to bear it all. So, you just draw for your cover-up, you cover up yourself and you still look fashionable. You still look stylish on the beach, and it just adds a little flair to your swimsuits, I would say.
Do you feel like cover-ups are becoming more fashionable,
yes,
more sweet? Okay.
I do. I absolutely do. The variation of cover-ups, it just goes beyond the regular kimono, the regular kaftan. I mean, a simple button-up top like what you're wearing now can be rocked as a cover-up, and you still look stylish on the beach, and you just go about your day and you just feel fab about yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you brought a model with us. So Chazelle is here. Chazelle Knowles. Hello, looking lovely. What exactly is she wearing? Is she wearing a kaftan? Is she wearing a kimono? What is she wearing?
So this is basically a kaftan with exaggerated sleeves. So the statement sleeves are the talk of the town with this one. And as you can see, it has some ruffled details there. A regular kaftan would not have such flared sleeves. It will just be a simple cut, straight down. But I added some statement sleeves for that pop. You just want to feel extra, something different. And that's what we
So would you say the sleeves is kind of like your motif, like your little signature? Yes. That when they see the sleeve, they might come them say, yo, J.A. Couture that.
Yes. And that's why we identified it. So
all right, I love it.
Stylish.
Turn one, make us see, Chazelle, give you a little twirl. A little, yes. Look at the arm. Loving it. All right, tell us about some of the ones that you have up here as well.
So this is our Nala cover-up, similar to one that Chazelle is wearing, but that's in orange.
Okay.
So as I said, it features the statement sleeves here, and underneath we have a regular kaftan, as I mentioned before.
Right, let me see.
So it's just a straight cut. You can take it down. It's just a straight cut.
It's kaftanesque.
Yes.
Right.
So that's without the sleeve, with the sleeves, and this is a nice printed here. This is called the candy cane kaftan.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It features this lovely slit, a high slit at the side here. It's just super chic, super versatile.
That is super nice. Yes, I'm here for it.
So moving over.
Talia had her eye on one as well. So yeah, show us this one.
So this one is our black and white printed cover up.
I live here.
You love here.
I live in the black and white land.
Contemporary lifestyle.
Yes,
my goodness.
yes.
And it features some elasticized sleeves. So you can wear it up at your elbows, you can rock it at your wrist, and it's just super versatile.
Gotcha.
Super comfortable. Full length, so you have all of that length to work with. And
what's this one called?
Super nice. So this one is our
the Wakanda?
No. I mean, we can name it the Wakanda.
I'm joking.
Like, I can always rename her. Let me know.
What's she called?
This is the black and white cover up for now. This is keeping it simple.
All right.
Keeping it simple.
Yes.
And this is another one underneath in mustard. So yeah. But talk of the town. This is actually our bestseller.
Okay. This one is the bestseller here.
It features a ruffled detail on the sleeve here. And this is the Sanai cover up.
Sanai.
Yes. So all of these cover-ups are actually customizable. So, you know, if you see this in an orange and white print, but you know you love red and white, you can request for it to be customized in the color of your liking.
I love that. Yes. So what inspires your designs? So when you're designing something, what are you thinking? No, listen, my design must have
this.
What inspires you?
So I'm inspired by the average woman who just wants to feel confident in herself when she steps out on the beach. As you know, you're wearing your swimsuit, you might be a little, you know, self-conscious about, you know, your body. So I want when you wear my swimsuit and you step out on that beach, you feel like the most beautiful woman in the world. So
speaking of the most beautiful woman in the world, I'm looking at your model over there and listen, my boy, listen, that outfit is fire. Tell us about that one. What's that one called?
Okay, so this is our Eden kaftan set.
Yes!
And it features a kaftan as well as a pants.
Talia, you see?
Extra cover up here.
Listen! I see Talia and Frenchman are doing something. I see it's happening
the print
on the beach.
Is so gorgeous. I just love that print.
That is beautiful. Tell us again what that one's called.
Eden kaftan set.
How do you feel in that? Feel good? I love it. Well, I noticed that none of your designs have like a little button, a little pin, a little something. Is that a choice? Like
yes. Because I mean, while you want to cover up, I mean, you want to show some skin as well. But as I said, it's customizable. So if you require that,
you might want a zip.
If you want a zip, if you want a button, you name it, you can have it.
How can we find you? I like that, especially. How can we find you on social media?
Okay, so you can find us on social media at clubcouture_JA. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook. I'm on TikTok as well, where I promote my pieces. And our website is currently down, but you can find us shortly. It'll be back up soon, clubcoutureja.store.
Thank you so much, Shanice. This is a pleasure. And Chazelle Knowles, thank you guys so much. Club Couture JA, Shanice Wright. I am here for Eden. I'll be rocking that for the rest of the year. I'm just saying. Thank you so much for joining us,
You're most
guys.
welcome.
We'll be